We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had the chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.